What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another review with Get Free with Annie. That's me. I'm Annie. What are we going to be talking about today? YouTube Titan. This is another affiliate marketing course. It's showing you how to use YouTube to make money. If you don't know what affiliate marketing is, if you don't know how to make money from YouTube using affiliate marketing, we're going to get into all of that in this review. Everything that you need to know about this review, about my channel, about the courses that I recommend is linked in the description below. This little down arrow or three little dots right here. Click that, read the description. Everything you need to know is in the description below. Do it. And please exercise your little finger muscle. Click subscribe to help my small channel grow. Let's get right into it. All right, so YouTube Titan, what is it? It's a training program basically showing you how to use YouTube to build an affiliate marketing business. If you don't know what affiliate marketing is, it's basically you picking a product that you like and feel comfortable promoting. You promote that product. It's someone else's product. And anytime somebody buys that product using your special link, you get a commission from it, a certain percentage. Usually about 50%. So YouTube Titan is showing you how to do that using YouTube, which in my opinion is the best way to do it. Who was it created by and can you trust them? It was created by Warrior Plus, which is, there's good and bad to them. They've been around a long time, so they are legit. They do sell actual courses. That's the good part. The bad part is that they have been around a long time, so they sell tons and tons and tons of different courses on their platform, and some of them are not that great. They're also really, what do you call it? I don't know, dorky, corny, full of fluff. Like sometimes it's like, let me just wade through this super long sales page and just give me like the meat of it. But no, they have to like, it's marketing. So that's the bad thing about Warrior Plus. What's different about it from every other course? It's pretty similar to a lot of courses out there. The things that maybe are different about it from other courses that I just don't like at all is that you don't have to use paid ads. They show you how to do free traffic. That's the best thing to learn when you're just starting out. It's very beginner friendly, and you don't have to hop on a phone call in order to find how much it costs, which means that it is going to be affordable. So what's included? You learn how to join affiliate networks, so you learn the basics of affiliate marketing. You learn how to select a niche, how to select the good hidden keywords. You learn how to create videos without showing your face, which is cool. They show you step by step how to set up your channel, and then they give you a template for your title, your description, your tags. It's all copy and paste, so very easy to make videos and get them going right away. They show you how to find the right products to promote, which is important. And they also help you with titles and thumbnails on YouTube, which is really important. They say don't judge a book by its cover, but on YouTube, everybody is judging the video by the thumbnail and the title. So they help you with that. And then they show you how to put your affiliate links into your YouTube channel and Facebook and all sorts of stuff so that you can make a lot of sales and scale up. So let's talk about the pros. You do not have to pay for ads, which is good. You don't want to start out an affiliate marketing business where you're spending a whole bunch of your money on ads. You need to learn how to do organic free traffic. So that's what they are teaching you how to do. You also don't have to show your face or use your voice in these videos that you're making. So if you're shy, it's okay. It doesn't matter. You can be brand new. You don't need any experience. And it's probably one of the most affordable YouTube affiliate marketing courses that I have seen. It is only $97. They say the regular price was $388. That's kind of more of a marketing tactic. They always do that. I don't know if it was ever that much, but $97 is really, really affordable for what they are teaching you. So that's a big pro. So what are the cons? The two big cons for me are that they don't talk about TikTok as a platform to link your YouTube channel to. That's a really big con for me because TikTok is really, really easy to and important to link your YouTube channel to. You can easily make a TikTok video and then upload that video to YouTube as a YouTube short. And YouTube is really pushing shorts right now. So it's a really big bummer that they are not teaching you how to do that. That's a big con for me. The other con is that while it is really, really affordable, like crazy, $97 to learn how to build a business with affiliate marketing, that's really affordable. However, they don't focus on teaching you how to get traffic first, which is the most important thing. If you don't have traffic, if you don't have people watching your videos, then you're not going to make money no matter what you do. I've found another course that I promote that I believe in a lot more because they teach you traffic first, which is how you make money. It is a lot more expensive than this. It's a much larger investment. So that's why I like to give this as an option too for another course that I like. But those are the two big main cons. And I will link the other more expensive course that I recommend in the link in the description below if you want to check that out as well. What are the other testimonials and other reviews from successful students and other people who have taken this course? There are not very many. It's not very many. There's not very many. It's a really new course, so there's not a lot of successful student testimonials. These are on the sales page. These are just random screenshots. These aren't anything specific. So this is just a marketing tactic. There's no student testimonials yet really saying that anybody has been successful with this specific system. I have specifically done this, used YouTube for affiliate marketing and been successful, and I know that it works, but there are not very many students who have actually taken this course that say that it is successful and they are profiting already because it hasn't even been out a whole month. Sometimes I look at that as a good thing. It's definitely not going to be oversaturated because it's so new. If you're getting into this really early and it works out, you could be in a really good position, but also it's a little bit more of a risk because there's nobody saying, yes, I've done this and it works. The cost we already talked about. It is $97 one-time payment, and there is a 30-day money back guarantee. If you buy it and you decide it's not for you, you can get your money back in 30 days. So my final thoughts are that it is very, very affordable. It is a very good place to start if you are a beginner, and it's not full of crazy fluff and promises, and you don't have to get on a phone call in order to find out how much it is. The information's there for you. It's $97, and if you don't like it, you can get your money back in 30 days. And YouTube, in my opinion, is the best way to do affiliate marketing. So my final verdict, should you buy this, invest in it or not? Yes and no. I do recommend this if you are just starting out and you don't know anything about affiliate marketing and you just want to see if you could do it and if it's right for you. YouTube is definitely the way to go, and this is a very affordable course. You can pick something that you're passionate about, like a niche that you know a lot about or are passionate about. Make short videos about it and then put a link in your YouTube description and make money when someone clicks on it. It's easy to do, it's kind of fun, and this is a really cheap course to do that. However, if you've kind of already been through affiliate marketing and you already know the gist of it and you're a little bit more knowledgeable, I wouldn't recommend this course. I think you should level up and go to something a little bit higher quality with a little bit more content. And I will link that in the description below as well. But I hope you guys enjoyed this review. Thanks for tuning in for another review with Get Free with Annie. Go out and get free.